And action.
Hello, hi, good morning for the judges and everyone who watched this video. Thank you so much for the opportunity to let me deliver my argument here. I am Robiatul Atiwiyah from Prime Minister of Government team would gladly to accept the motion. Our motion today is this host would heavily tax manufacturing corporation that automate majority of their workforce. As the government team, I confidently agree with our motion today because many of consideration. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do you know about manufacturing corporation? Manufacturing corporation is a corporation that made machine item by machine and not use human words. And again, do you know what the meaning of tax? Okay, tax is something that we should pay for. Tax is from the country. We should pay tax for country and the country will spend the cost to improve the welfare of the people. And I'm stand with my three reasons. Okay, I'll go with my first reason. First, company that use machine for the process of the stuff, kind of the stuff is like car, motorcycle, truck, bus, air conditioner, so on. Why we would do heavily tax of manufacturing corporation? Because manufacturing company mechanism without human. They mostly use machine. That's why the country secure to people of the country. According to law of Prime Minister said that the most country have a lot of manufacturing company that use machine, the most they heavily tax for the people. Because if they were not heavily the tax, it will difficult for them to secure the people. It's not just an opinion because it was on the data. Also, when the country heavily the tax of manufacturing company, by the way, for your information, manufacturing company have a lot of income. And also, they have much clients so that if we heavily the tax, it will not become a big impact for them. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's clear. It is fine to heavily tax for manufacturing company. And again, if we heavily tax, country will get much income so that country could make more public building and insurance. Okay, now I'll go with my second reason. Prevent companies from over-depending on machine that could be stop everyone to overuse machine on the company. In tax theory, taxes can act as a disincentive, that is, they make an action less economically attractive. If a company is subject to additional if a company is subject to additional tax to access automatically, the cost of using the machine increase. And I go with my third reason. And again, imagine that automotive company become an icon for the country, but company is not just known as the product, but because also the role to create the job for 1,000 engineering technicians and factory workers. This kind of company is symbol from economic growth and national independence. But in this industry 4.0 era, the company face global competitive pressures and they choose to replace mostly of the tax manual craft with robot high precision. The impact is 100 workforce to cut off from the company. Or you should, but in this industry 4.0 era, the company face global competitive pressure and they choose to replace mostly of the tax manual craft with robot precision. The main argument is heavily tax is used as instrument to change the incentive company and priority the innovative to create the value of human. Or usually in Indo we could say UUD nomor 11 tahun 2020 about hak cipta kerja, one of the aims to create and to make job bigger. So by imposing high taxes, we encourage company to innovate in more and ethical and sustainable ways. We encourage them to see workers as assets that can be increased, not as abilities that can be replaced. This is a visionary step to ensure that Indonesia is not only an efficient producer but also just and civilized nation. Therefore, we support this motion wholeheartedly. Ladies and gentlemen, based on my argument and all of my explanation before, I confidently agree with our motion today that this House would heavily tax manufacturing corporations that automate majority of their workforce. Thank you.